Hello! Video about checking the work of the tester Pandora 5000 version 9 full with a car factory alarm system and a barriers automatic. This is an upgraded intelligent tester Pandora 5000 version 9 full for factory and other car alarm systems and automatics. This is a tested car, Mazda 3, 2011. Initially, with a master key, we open and close the car doors. Turn on, adjust and put the tester on the trunk lid. Go away from the car with a master key on about 20 meters and close the car with a key button. Go back to the car, leave the key on the trunk and take the tester. From its menu, it is visible that the operation mode 5 was chosen. With the button of the tester, we open the car and check the door. It is open. With another button, we close the car and check the door again. It is closed. Several times with the tester buttons, open and close the car. Now we take the master key to check its operation. It can be seen that the key buttons work normally. Further, we check the work of the tester with the barriers automatic. The signal from the original remote control of this barrier was pre-recorded in the tester memory cell, and the operation mode 7 was chosen. Open and close the barrier with the tester button several times. It can be seen that the tester buttons work well. And so, the tester Pandora 5000 version 9 full can be successfully used when working as with the factory car alarms and with the barriers automatic. Thanks for watching.